Chocolate and strawberries are a dream combination that everybody loves, right? So today on Made for Two, we're gonna make chocolate covered strawberry truffles. But I have got two secrets in this recipe that make them way better than just your ordinary chocolate covered strawberries. And the first secret is the chocolate coating. So usually you would just use chocolate, but what I've added in this recipe is a little bit of butter, and that's gonna add a lovely gloss and richness to the coating, which makes it even more decadent. So we're gonna put this over a bain-marie and we're just gonna melt it down until it's nice and smooth. Once your chocolate is really glossy and smooth, what we're gonna do is we're gonna decant it into this little pot, and I want something small and deep, and the reason we use that is we wanna get a real big dunk on it. If we have anything too shallow, we're gonna be messing around and it's not gonna get covered in the glorious chocolate coating. So take off your bowl of chocolate and then just tip it into that little pot. And now for my second secret. So what you would usually do is you'd take your fingers, you would dip this into the chocolate and you'd put it on a piece of paper and you'd end up with a pool of chocolate underneath your strawberry, and it just wouldn't look very good. But I've got the secret, and the secret is a kebab stick or a toothpick. What we're gonna do is we're gonna just pop this guy into the end, and then we're gonna dunk this into our chocolate. And then once you've dunked it, just put it on the edge of the table and weigh it down and let that chocolate drip off. What that means is you don't get a pool of chocolate and you just get a perfectly coated strawberry every single time. So our strawberries have set at room temperature now, and look at the lovely kind of glossy matte coating they've got. They look absolutely perfect. And now what we've got to do is decorate. You can get as creative you want, do anything. I'm going to drizzle a little bit of white chocolate over some of them, a little bit of milk chocolate over the others, and then just to be fancy, I've got some gold luster dust which I'm going to spray on. I'll pop those back in the fridge once I've covered them, and then we are ready to serve. And look at those. I mean, come on, they look amazing. I've just taken them out of the fridge and I've popped them in this cute little love heart box. I put some pink paper under there. I mean, it might as well be Valentine's, right? It's not Valentine's, but it might as well be. And this is the perfect surprise for your other half. Or if you're feeling competitive, you could have a little strawberry decorating competition, see who's the best, and you'll have loads of chocolate left over, which you can, don't tell me what you can do with it. But make sure you leave a comment, guys. I want to hear what you think about this recipe. Subscribe to the Food Network YouTube channel, and I'll see you guys soon for more Made for Two. Bye!